Hello everyone, today I'm reviewing the Aiblom 3D printing tools and accessories with tool woodbox designed for FDM printers. Quick disclaimer, this kit was sent to me by Aiblom for review, but as always, I'll be sharing my honest experience. Right out the box, you get a solid wood case packed with essential tools for 3D printer maintenance and post-processing. The wooden box feels sturdy and premium, and it features a latch to prevent it from opening when being carried. Now let's go ahead and show you all the tools accessories inside the case one by one. First thing is the long-nosed plier. This can be used for gripping small parts, for nozzle cleaning, blending support materials, or cutting wires. Next is your deburring tool set for precise trimming on edges, and it comes with 10 sets of steel blades. The body measures 127 mm long and the steel blades measures 46 mm. To swap your blades, just hold the tool steady, pull back the metal collar at the tip, and hold it. Take your replacement blade, insert into the slot, and release the metal collar forward to secure the blade in place. Next is your 5-set needle files with various shapes. This protects fingers during sanding tight corners of your models, and prevents oil transfer to prints. It also comes with a product kit list to make sure you have everything included, and at the back is a thank you note from Aiblom. Next is your tube cutter, and this is useful for cutting PTFE tubes and even cutting filament ends for easy fitting. I actually tried it for filament, but I prefer using the wire cutter tool for that purpose. Next is your glue stick that you can use to improve bed adhesion for tricky prints and reduce warping. Thankfully, I rarely have those issues in my prints, but it's good to always have this available all the time. Next is your plastic removal coating that helps remove plastic adhesion at the nozzle and prevents filament gunk. This next one's probably my most used tool, the wire cutter. It's got a comfy rubber grip, feels good in the hand. I use it for snipping wires, trimming filament, and even popping off tree supports from my prints. I've got 3 of these lying around because I use them constantly. Next are the straight and curved hook tweezers. These can be used for handling tiny prints and removing fine supports from tight spots on your models. Here's another one tool that I always use, the scraper. This can be used for removing prints from printhead or cleans leftover residue. Next is your wire brush set. There's 2 wire brushes for cleaning print beds and nozzles, and 1 nylon brush for wiping print surfaces or cleaning printer moving parts. Next is your 3-pack polishing stick. This can be used for final surface polishing for prints enhancing smoothness. Next is your utility knife. I actually like the aesthetic of this tool, and it has a brand of Deli Home on the side. This can be used to trim supports and cleans up edges with a comfortable grip. Next is your grease. This grease can be applied to keep your Z-rods, linear rails, and threaded shafts lubricated and quiet. Next is your 5-pack cleaning needles. This is an important tool for clearing clogged nozzles and remove hardened filament blockages. Next is your 5-in-1 multifunction wrench. This is suitable for a wide range replacement of nozzles. It doesn't apply in my Bambulab A1 and Mini, but for my old Ender 3, this can be useful. Next is your pin vise set. This is useful for drilling holes, especially when you need screw for assembly or detailing. It also clears out any filament clogs in screw holes. It also includes 10 precision micro drill bits with different sizes. Here is your pin vise body. The handle is solid metal with a textured grip, and the spinning end cap lets you rotate the drill comfortably with your palm, and it's great for steady, controlled drilling without fatigue. Next is your rotary tool set. It comes with 6 interchangeable heads and a variety of sandpaper textures. It's perfect for smoothing, shaping, and refining your 3D prints after removal. The tool itself is lightweight and easy to grip, and the head swaps are quick and secure. You've got sanding drums and grinding bits, and it's all designed for different levels of smoothness. The handle is pretty standard design. You have a dial to control the rotation speed, which is perfect when switching between delicate polishing and aggressive sanding. To insert the head, hold down the lock button, twist the textured metal collar, insert one of the sanding drum, tighten the collar, and you'll feel it grip the bit securely. Give it a gentle tug to confirm its lock in place. And this tool also comes with one user's manual. So wrapping up my experience with the Aiblom toolkit, honestly I didn't expect to use everything in here. Tools like the pin vise set and the deburring tool were totally new to me. I've never used them before in my workflow, but once I tried them out, I was surprised how much easier they make post-processing. The pin vise set gave me way more control when drilling into PLA parts, and the deburring tool, that thing cleans up edges so easy. It's one of those tools you don't realize you need until you use it once, and then you're hooked. Overall, the quality of these tools is actually great. Nothing feels cheap or gimmicky. The rotary tool has solid power, the blades are sharp, and even the storage cases are well thought out. If you're into 3D printing and want a full set that covers everything from cleanup to fine-tuning, this toolkit is worth checking out. I will also leave the link in the description below. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.